everybody. Recently I talked about the importance of lockdown due to coronavirus, and today, following on from that topic, I am talking about the COVID-19 home testing kit, how it's used and why testing is essential. Testing is essential because it's our only frontline defence before a vaccine is made, which we all know is currently not made. Testing is our only way to find out if someone has this infection so that they can get treated by the necessary healthcare professionals if required, and they can socially distance themselves and self-isolate, which means that will help slow down the spread of this COVID-19 virus. Testing is also essential because asymptomatic people, who are people with very mild or no symptoms at all, who are still infected, if these people get tested, then that means they can self-isolate, which will also slow down the spread of this virus, since asymptomatic people are excellent carriers of this virus and can spread it to many people without even knowing, since they show no symptoms. Recently in England, testing has been widened to many people, such as anyone with symptoms, anyone who's 65 years old or older, anyone who leaves for work, such as key workers, NHS, etc., and their households. People in care homes, both staff and residents, are also being tested whether they have symptoms or not. Eligible candidates can test at a regional testing centre. They can go to a drive-through test centre, which has to be pre-booked, or they can order a home test kit. The home testing kit is better than the other methods of testing because you don't have to leave to go very far. You might be too sick to go very far. If you go out of your home, you do have a risk of catching the infection or spreading it to others. Less staff are involved, which is better for everyone. Now I'll talk to you about the home testing kit. The home testing kit will come in a packet like this. I have already removed all its contents to show you one by one, but it'll come like this in your mail and it'll have all its contents inside it. It will contain a swab and a tube with some viral transport medium, a special liquid in it. Do not drain this liquid as this is essential in the process. Due to a shortage of kit, some might come with one swab and others might come with 2 swabs. It also comes with 3 stickers, and this is your unique number specimen code, a transportation tube, a bag for your samples to go in, the inner bag, the outer bag for your samples to go in, and last but not least, an information leaflet. This has all the information for you to conduct the test, how to get it to the lab, very important. To do your test, you need to sanitize your hands by washing them with soap and water, and then you take the swab out from the stick end, put it at the back of your throat and rub around. After that, put it in your nose until you feel resistance and rub around. At any time of the process, do not touch the swab from the swab end, only from the stick end. After that, put it in the viral transport medium tube, break off the excess, and remember to put your unique number code lengthways across the tube. After that, you can put that tube inside this transportation tube and then you can screw it on tightly. After that, you need to put that tube inside this internal bag and put where it's going and where it's from. Finally, you put this internal bag inside the external bag, and you will a post office sticker, which I haven't shown here, and you would stick that on to this external bag. After you've put the sticker on, then send it off by courier as advised. Thank you for listening, and I hope you stay safe and stay well.